If you're feeling overwhelmed about launching an LLC in the land of Lincoln, don't sweat it. There are actually fewer steps to getting started than there are toppings on a proper Chicago dog. Now that you're on your way to making your business official, there are a few specific things you should know about forming an LLC in Illinois. First, you'll want to choose a name for your business. This may seem obvious, but there's more to it than just that. We recommend that you search your Secretary of State's website to ensure your business name isn't already in use for an existing business within your state. If you aren't ready to register your LLC but are concerned your business name might be taken by someone else in the meantime, you can reserve it. In Illinois, names can be reserved up to 90 days by paying a fee and submitting paperwork to the state authority. Second, you'll choose a registered agent, otherwise known as an RA. Your RA is the person or entity that receives official legal documents and notices on behalf of your business. When it comes time to choose an RA, be sure to choose one who's available during regular business hours and has an address in the state of Illinois. Third, you'll need to file some information about your LLC with the Illinois Secretary of State. This information is referred to as your Articles of Organization. This includes basic business information like your LLC's name and address, and can typically be filed online or by mail. When your filing is approved, your LLC is registered as an official business entity. Fourth, you should draft an operating agreement, which is a document that outlines the way you'll run your LLC. Unlike some states, Illinois does not require you to file or draw up an operating agreement. That said, these agreements can be vital if disputes or litigation arise. The next step is to get your employer identification number, or EIN for short. Your EIN is sort of like a social security number for your business and is necessary for banking, taxes, and even hiring employees. Finally, you should get any specific permits or licenses, like a zoning permit or a liquor license that your business may need. You should also note that you may need to register your LLC with the Illinois Department of Revenue. This can be done on their website. Additionally, Illinois LLCs are required to file annual reports with the Secretary of State. You won't need to worry about that right away, though. The report is due prior to the first day of the anniversary month of the LLC's formation. Of course, there can be more to forming an LLC than just these few steps. Once you're ready, we'll be there to help you get started at LegalZoom.com.